Everyone who's been in Asia, it's kind of popular thing. Everybody is drinking coconut. How the coconut it's looking like, you know, it's like this. But then, did you know? Actually, I didn't know. I'm living already 12 years, more than 12 years. This is 13 years in Asia, and I didn't know that there is this palm fruit. It's somewhere there up, and it's called what is that? Palm fruit.
Sugar palm fruit.
So it's a sugar palm fruit. It's the same palm. It's the same palm what they making tuak from. There's an episode of it we made about that. They're collecting the juice, and that's how the tuak is made. Tuak is made from the sugar palm juice. But after this season of collecting all this juice, there's this fruits. And now our mother will get us some fruit, and Laura will tell us what is specific, because Laura was the one who found it.
Yeah.
And what is good about it, so she will tell us. Okay. Now that's how it looks like. It looks like a small coconut. Inside there's also these pieces like inside the lanzones. Just there's no seed inside. But they anyways will open it, and then he will show us.
There's like a water inside, very soft.
How's it?
Yum yum.
Yum yum?
Good.
How it tastes?
Like a coconut.
Like a
Fresh
coconut?
Yeah.
Oh,
But
makasih.
very nice jelly.
It's actually good. It is like a small coconut.
Yeah.
In the middle there is a juice, water.
Little bit, yeah.
But
The ideal would be just to a little bit clean off, and then take a spoon, and then eat with a spoon. There's other guys coming.
Good, bagus.
Also want some sugar palm fruits. So what is good about this one?
It's for digestion. For
Look there.
yeah.
So-
It's like for digestion, for stomach, very good. It's for very good if you wanna thirsty, drink.
So basically what it means it's a lot of electrolytes. They're pretty much the same as for the coconut. This is better for the digestion system. A lot of vitamins as well.
And there is it's not like in a whole coconut there is one piece. There is many pieces inside, 3 pieces inside in one nut.
How we got to know about this fruit is that people been looking for it. At the moment it's really hard for them to find it. And then we remembered that our mother is all about this. He's living in a place where they're making this tuak. So Laura cleaned all the skin off, and that's how it looks like. It's like a little bit melted ice or jelly, and and inside one of this there are 3 of them. So it's like if you have a problems like me to drink a water, like I don't feel thirsty actually, so that's why then you can eat this one. It's giving you a feeling that you are full. So if someone has some diets and want to get slimmer, I think this one is growing only in East Bali. Like for example in Ubud there's no any of these palms, and that's why they are not drinking tuak. All the tuak is they making wine from another things, while here in Ahmed and Tulamben we drinking a lot of tuak, just simply collecting juice. And up there in a corner you can just click on a button and see the episode where we were visiting, me and Laura, tuak factory and also arak factory. So since it's not really a nut, there is no the shell, there is only this, I don't know, like a skin, same like a coconut, but that instead of shell there is only skin, and then it's all this soft part inside. If you have some diet, so for example in the evening, instead of eating some proper meal, you just eat one of these fruits or maybe 2 of these fruits, because it costs only 1,000 rupiah. So the price for this one is less than 1 cent. It costs nothing. It just probably, if you deliver it somewhere, then the cost is all this delivery cost. But so today I would like to add a little bit of diving as well. There's something special and you will see it. And yeah, so I will not comment anything about this particular thing, but yeah, that's just simply incredible. So that's how we spend our day. Amazing day, amazing things we discovered. It's the same, like for example with all this sugar palm fruit. It's like I've been living for almost 13 years here, like I said, and I didn't know about this anything. It's great that we can discover new things constantly. that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. It took me a while to figure out how to clean it, but when you do it, when you finally get it, that's pretty easy. Very easy actually.